There's a really nice breeze that just came through the window. And it was really nice. Sorry, this is... Why is this making me grease? It's been such a long time since I've like done this or spoken to a camera or I don't know, I feel like I'm in the Truman Show or something. This is so strange. Who am I talking to right now? Who's there? Leave a comment down below.
The first few months they were like bright red. Now there's basically no tattoo there except like on the arch, which is why I cover it with some green colour corrector. Honestly, it gave me I never used to use colour corrector. Vulnerable is much more than colour corrector everywhere now. Any redness. It works really well even when you put it on and blend it out. It doesn't look too green. I'm just gonna do a natural makeup look today. When I'm in the house, I can't work.
Release the hounds. Hello? Oh. Oh, she usually comes running in. It's kind of embarrassing. Momo? Turn? Turn? Momo, sit. Paw. High five. High five. Good girl. Oh my god. What the fuck? Smell. Delicious. My tea's gone cold, I'm wondering why. Get out of bed at all. The morning rain clouds
up my window and I can't see it all. Even if I could, it'd all be great. Put your picture on my wall. It reminds me that it's not so bad. It's not so bad. This lit. Excuse you. Why do I look like I'm about to cry? So, the inspiration for this vlog today was actually, I don't know. I've wanted to get back into vlogging, but I don't know. I always just put it off because I'm like, oh, I don't have enough time, or I think it's like a perfectionist thing. It's a Virgo. Shout out Ross Buckley, who did the, oh my god, what is it called? It's not a stamp trump. Stick and poke. For me, back in Liverpool. But yeah, it's a perfectionist thing, and I'm like, oh, but then I kind of blame it as like a time thing, which, yeah. Blame. I think that comes, oh my god, we're not getting into my childhood trauma, what the fuck. But anyway, special shout out and thanks to my friend meimei, Young, who I'm gonna see like literally in a couple of hours at work to do a show. Funny. Because I was just doing my morning things, and on the laptop on my YouTube homepage, one of the recommended videos, her channel came up, which I've never watched any of her videos before. I knew she did YouTube vlogs and videos and stuff, but I never watched them, found them, looked for them. I don't know, but it just came up on my recommended homepage thing. And so I clicked on it, and it was just so fun. And it's nice to see like YouTube videos being made by people you know. Like my dad and my brother both also make YouTube videos. I'll link them down below, or whatever you say. But yeah, I don't know, fun. It's nice to see someone you know and are friends with doing something that you also kind of like have a passion for, slash enjoy watching, slash. So I was just like, I'm just gonna make this, I'm just gonna get out my camera and just see what happens. So this is like the most sporadic, random ass shit, but I kind of like that. It's just like me living, existing, breathing. Anyways, I think that's time for me to go. But I'll link all of their channels below and promote them. But wow, my skin glowing. Who is she? That was meimei right there. Fun. So that's what's happening. That's what's happened. And maybe more things will happen. Peace. Hey guys, it's Nicole. This is editing route here. Editing my fucking 2-minute vlog. I just was watching it back, and I wanted to mention that I quite like making, I feel like I used to make videos that were quite like whoosh, whoosh, snap, funny caption, blah, blah, blah. But I feel like I'm kind of getting into and leaning into like videos that are quite just calm and like less quick, less short form content to grab your attention immediately, you know what I mean? Something that you can just kind of sit with and kind of feel calm. I don't know, I say this, but I'll probably like change things up quite a lot. Granted, I carry on making videos. I probably will, I'd like to, but they'll probably just be very random times, random subjects, random everything, but that's okay. Makes everything more fun. Spicy. Why is it spicy? But so oh my god, sorry for the slurping. But I heard in some cultures slurping is a good, it's polite. It's more polite to slurp. I don't know, I'll go with that. But yeah, I think just something that you can kind of just take in, you know. But yeah, like I say, I'll mix it all up. Who knows? This is so exciting. I don't know. Also, I remembered that. So when I was doing Potter. Can you see Potter? And that's Tom Mack's little thingy poem that he did. I don't know if you can see because it's on the front camera. I don't know if you can switch around the camera while you're... No, I don't know how to do that. But, and this is Milena made for us. But anyway, what was I saying? Oh, my friend April Hughes, shout out Aprilina, Princess Aprilina. I remember one day when we were during like, I don't know if it was a quick change or something, but it was like underneath. You don't know what that means, but we know. But she was like, I would, if there was like a TV show that was just like, hidden cameras all around your house and like just following you about in daily life, but like I had no idea. I guess kind of like the concept of the Truman Show. She was like, I would love to watch that. And I don't know, that was always kind of stuck with me. Always since 2022. But yeah, I don't know. That's quite fun. But yeah, maybe that's what these videos will kind of be. I don't know. But yeah, anyway, stay tuned for more, guys. I know my brother is just watching this right now fucking cringing so hard. No one cringes at me more than my brother. Shout out bro. All right, I'm going now. Okay, peace.